Hey, so I'm going to show you how you can set up a week worth of really good content for your own business or a client's business in about a minute using COSO. It's super, super cool. So you can see I've got a fresh account here on COSO with no content. And basically, you can use this for anything, but I've grabbed a few good insights from an industry report. So basically, this is a state of social media study that Hootsuite or Spread Social, one of those guys did, which is great. So I can come in here to COSO.ai agent and I can say create 4 posts for next week from these social media stats. And it doesn't matter if I have typos, COSO will figure it out. Great, I can just hit enter, right? And if I want, I can actually just attach the document directly. But this is a demo, so we're keeping it short and snappy. So we're just going to paste in the stats, but literally you can just attach the document yourself as well if you want. Cool. And it's going to schedule them for Monday to Thursday next week, 10 a.m., one per day, generate a graphic for each. Wonderful. So first of all, it's created the posts. So you can see just in these stats, right? So 73%, we'll go to competitor, see 73, it's written this lovely little caption here. And obviously it's got our main COSO CTA in it as well, which is brilliant. And yeah, now it's going to create the visuals. And now the really cool thing is I'm going to grab this post here, which is a post that did quite well for us a couple of weeks ago, the caption. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back in here, right? So it's going to create these really cool graphics for each of the posts and attach them, which is super cool. Great. 1 attached, 2 attached, 3 attached, 4 attached. Lovely, 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 lovely. And then it's basically broken down. Cool, this is what we did. So that took like a minute. All I did was create 4 posts. I literally just gave it the stats. It created the 4 posts, scheduled them for Monday, Tuesday, etc. next week. Brilliant. What I could do is I could say make 2 of the captions sound more like this post that did well for us. And then also make 2 of the images look more like this image that did well for us. And I can basically upload an image. So I'm just going to quickly upload this, which is just an image from a post last week that did well for us. And COSO will look at this and it'll now update the post according to my specification, right? So another like 15 seconds, just give it a couple of little things. And basically it'll update the captions. So you can see this caption behind here has been updated. And is there, yeah, this one is also updating. Cool. So it shows the most suitable ones. And then in the background, it should be creating images, fresh images as well. Generating the 2 images. And it's going to attach those fresh images to the post as well. And you see like these are literally Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for next week. Stats nice and prominent. If I want to edit any of the posts myself, I can obviously click on the post and I can still edit the caption, or I can prompt the specific post, change the schedule time, anything at all really. Super, super cool. We see how it's getting on. Lovely, it's great, the 2 images. Now it's going to attach them to the 2 posts. And it should do this one as well momentarily. There we go, perfect. Cool, so now I've got my 4 posts done from those stats. Took a couple minutes, about a minute of me actually interacting, and then another minute or whatever of waiting around. Super cool, and I can just literally just click approve on this, and it goes out on my Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn next Monday, 10 a.m. Yeah, amazing. So you can bulk create, you can also bulk edit, and that works like you can scale that right up. So whether it's your own business and you're trying to save a bunch of time, if you have a client or a bunch of clients, you can quickly create content for them because COSO has all the brand. Like these are all on-brand posts for us. I didn't have to input anything because COSO already knows all about the brand. And it's got examples of posts done well for us and a bunch of other things. So yeah, listen, try it out. Let me know how you get on. Super, super cool. Super great use case. Saves hours a week, obviously. And yeah, listen, have a great one. And hopefully I'll talk to you very soon. Thanks.